Hi, welcome to the quiz. You can answer along on quizalto.com, all for free. The exact URL of this quiz will be in the notes down below. Let's get started. Good luck. What is the purpose of the VMware Cloud on Amazon Sizer tool? Optimize network performance. Manage virtual machine snapshots. Monitor resource usage. Estimate the required VMware Cloud on AWS resources for workload migration. The VMware Cloud on AWS Sizer tool is a utility that helps estimate the required VMware Cloud on AWS resources, such as compute, storage, and networking, needed for migrating workloads from on-premises data centers to the VMware Cloud on AWS environment. What is the purpose of the VMware Cloud on Amazon Elastic Distributed Resource Scheduler? Optimize network performance. Manage storage resources. Provide backup and recovery capabilities. Automatically balance compute resources across clusters. VMware Cloud on AWS Elastic Distributed Resource Scheduler automatically balances compute resources across clusters within the VMware Cloud on AWS environment, ensuring optimal utilization and performance. Which component of VMware Cloud on Amazon provides compute resources for running VMware workloads? Amazon RDS. Amazon EC2. Amazon EBS. Amazon S3. VMware Cloud on AWS leverages Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud instances to provide compute resources for running VMware workloads in the AWS cloud. What is the purpose of the VMware Cloud on Amazon HCX service? Manage storage resources. Optimize network performance. Provide backup and disaster recovery services. Enable workload migration between on-premises and cloud environments. VMware Cloud on AWS HCX is a service that enables the live migration of workloads, including virtual machines and their associated networking and security configurations, between on-premises data centers and VMware Cloud on AWS environments. Which VMware Cloud on Amazon feature enables the creation of software-defined storage policies for virtual machine workloads? VMware vSAN storage policies. VMware Content Library. VMware vSphere. VMware NSX. VMware vSAN storage policies enable the creation of software-defined storage policies for virtual machine workloads within VMware Cloud on AWS, allowing for the specification of storage requirements such as performance, availability, and data protection. Which VMware Cloud on Amazon feature enables the creation of software-defined load balancing services for virtual machine workloads? VMware vSAN. VMware NSX Load Balancer. VMware Content Library. VMware vSphere. The VMware NSX Load Balancer enables the creation of software-defined load balancing services for virtual machine workloads within VMware Cloud on AWS, ensuring high availability and scalability. What is the purpose of the VMware Cloud on Amazon Host Monitoring Service? Optimize network traffic. Manage virtual machine snapshots. Provide backup and recovery services. Monitor the health and performance of VMware hosts. The VMware Cloud on AWS Host Monitoring Service continuously monitors the health and performance of VMware hosts within the VMware Cloud on AWS environment, enabling proactive maintenance and troubleshooting. Which VMware Cloud on Amazon feature enables the creation of logical firewalls and security policies for east-west traffic within virtual networks? VMware Content Library, VMware VSAN, VMware vSphere, VMware NSX Distributed Firewall. The VMware NSX Distributed Firewall enables the creation of logical firewalls and security policies for east-west traffic within virtual networks in VMware Cloud on AWS, providing granular control over traffic flowing between virtual machines. Which VMware Cloud on Amazon feature enables the creation of logical networks and network services using software-defined networking principles? VMware NSX, VMware VSAN, VMware vSphere, VMware ESXi. VMware NSX is a network virtualization platform that enables the creation of logical networks and network services, such as firewalls and load balancers, using software-defined networking principles within VMware Cloud on AWS. What is the purpose of the VMware Cloud on Amazon VMware ARIA operations for log service? Monitor resource usage. Optimize network performance. Centralized log management and analysis for VMware Cloud on AWS. Manage virtual machine snapshots. The VMware ARIA operations for logs service provides centralized log management and analysis capabilities for VMware Cloud on AWS environments, enabling comprehensive log collection, indexing, and analysis for troubleshooting and compliance purposes. Which network service in VMware Cloud on Amazon enables secure communication between on-premises data centers and the VMware Cloud on AWS environment? Amazon Route 53, Amazon CloudFront, AWS Direct Connect, Amazon VPC. AWS Direct Connect provides a dedicated network connection from on-premises data centers to VMware Cloud on AWS, enabling secure and reliable communication between the two environments. Which storage service is used by VMware Cloud on Amazon to provide persistent storage for virtual machines? Amazon Elastic Block Store, Amazon Elastic File System, Amazon S3, Amazon Glacier. VMware Cloud on AWS leverages Amazon Elastic Block Store to provide persistent block-level storage for virtual machines running in the AWS cloud. Which VMware Cloud on Amazon feature enables the creation of logical switches and VLANs for virtual networks? VMware VSAN, VMware NSX Logical Switches, VMware vSphere, VMware Content Library. VMware NSX logical switches are software-defined switches that enable the creation of logical switches and VLANs for virtual networks within VMware Cloud on AWS, providing advanced networking capabilities and isolation. What is the purpose of the VMware Cloud on Amazon vRealize automation service? Optimize network performance. Automate the deployment and management of virtual machines and applications. Provide backup and recovery services. Manage virtual machine snapshots. . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . The VMware vRealize Automation Service enables the automation of virtual machine and application deployment and management within VMware Cloud on AWS, simplifying the provisioning and lifecycle management of cloud resources. What is the purpose of the VMware Cloud on Amazon Hybrid Linked Mode service? Manage on-premises and cloud resources from a single vCenter server. Provide backup and recovery services. Optimize network performance. Manage virtual machine snapshots. The VMware Cloud on AWS Hybrid Linked Mode service enables the management of both on-premises VMware environments and VMware Cloud on AWS resources from a single vCenter server instance, providing a unified management plane for hybrid cloud operations. What is the purpose of the VMware Cloud on Amazon Hybrid Linked Mode? Enable centralized management of on-premises and cloud resources. Optimize network performance. Provide backup and disaster recovery services. Automate virtual machine provisioning. VMware Cloud on AWS Hybrid Linked Mode allows customers to manage their on-premises VMware environment and VMware Cloud on AWS resources from a single vCenter interface, enabling centralized management and administration. What is the purpose of the VMware Cloud on Amazon Hybrid Cloud Gateway service? Manage virtual machine snapshots. Enable secure and optimized data transfer between on-premises and cloud environments. Optimize storage performance. Monitor resource usage. The VMware Cloud on AWS Hybrid Cloud Gateway service enables secure and optimized data transfer between on-premises data centers and VMware Cloud on AWS environments, ensuring efficient and reliable data mobility for hybrid cloud operations. What is the purpose of the VMware Cloud on Amazon Hybrid Cloud Operations Service? Provide centralized monitoring and management of on-premises and cloud resources. Monitor resource usage. Manage virtual machine snapshots. Optimize storage performance. The VMware Cloud on AWS Hybrid Cloud Operations Service enables centralized monitoring and management of both on-premises VMware environments and VMware Cloud on AWS resources, providing a unified view and control plane for hybrid cloud operations. What is the purpose of the VMware Cloud on Amazon vRealize Log Insight service? Centralized log management and analytics for VMware Cloud on AWS. Manage virtual machine snapshots. Optimize storage performance. Monitor resource usage. The VMware vRealize Log Insight service provides centralized log management and analytics capabilities for VMware Cloud on AWS environments, enabling comprehensive log collection, indexing, and analysis for troubleshooting and compliance purposes. What is the purpose of the VMware Cloud on Amazon Stretched Clusters feature? Enable high availability across multiple AWS availability zones. Monitor resource usage. Optimize storage performance. Provide backup and disaster recovery services. VMware Cloud on AWS Stretched Clusters enable high availability by spanning VMware clusters across multiple AWS availability zones, ensuring workload continuity in the event of an availability zone failure. Which VMware Cloud on Amazon feature provides virtual machine backup and recovery capabilities? VMware Cloud on AWS Backup. VMware vSAN. VMware vSphere Replication. VMware NSX. VMware Cloud on AWS Backup is a service that provides backup and recovery capabilities for virtual machines running in the VMware Cloud on AWS environment, ensuring data protection and business continuity. In VMware Cloud on Amazon, what is the underlying infrastructure that VMware Cloud on AWS is built upon? Amazon Web Services. Google Cloud Platform. Microsoft Azure. Private Data Center. VMware Cloud on AWS is a hybrid cloud service that runs on Amazon Web Services infrastructure, providing customers with a seamless integration between their on-premises VMware environments and the AWS cloud. What is the purpose of the VMware Cloud on Amazon VMware Tanzu Kubernetes Grid Service? Manage virtual machine snapshots. Deploy and manage Kubernetes clusters on VMware Cloud on AWS. Optimize network performance. Provide backup and recovery services. The VMware Tanzu Kubernetes Grid Service allows customers to deploy and manage Kubernetes clusters on VMware Cloud on AWS, enabling the deployment and orchestration of containerized applications and microservices. What is the purpose of the VMware Cloud on Amazon Hybrid Cloud Automation Service? Manage virtual machine snapshots. Automate and orchestrate tasks across on-premises and cloud environments. Monitor resource usage. Optimize storage performance. The VMware Cloud on AWS Hybrid Cloud Automation Service enables the automation and orchestration of tasks and workflows across both on-premises VMware environments and VMware Cloud on AWS, simplifying the management of hybrid cloud operations. Which VMware Cloud on Amazon feature enables the replication of virtual machines from on-premises data centers to the AWS cloud for disaster recovery purposes? VMware Site Recovery Manager. VMware Distributed Resource Scheduler. VMware vSphere High Availability. VMware vMotion. VMware Site Recovery Manager is a disaster recovery solution that enables the replication and recovery of virtual machines from on-premises data centers to VMware Cloud on AWS, providing business continuity in the event of a disaster or outage. And that's a wrap. Thanks to everyone who participated. Remember, you can answer along on quizalto.com, where you can keep track of your progress and find much more quizzes. We hope you had a fun and challenging time. Until next time. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more. Hit the bell icon to be notified as soon as we upload. Please leave a comment if you have any thoughts or suggestions, and if you think this video is worth sharing with someone who could benefit from it, please forward a link to them. See you next time. Thanks for watching.